Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, new assignment that we're going to use with the Kami extension that you just loaded. So we're going to go over here. Now, yes, Google Classroom looks a little different here. This is kind of a practice Google Classroom I have for putting things in and seeing how it works without students having access to it. So, but you're going to go to your Social Studies tab. It's not there yet. It will be. And here's your assignment. Maps and Globes Review. And you can see the type of file it is. It's kind of small. It's PDF. We're going to click on that PDF. But notice the blue button now up in the right-hand corner. It says Open with Kami. We're going to click that. Got to be patient. Sometimes it takes a while to load. My nose is itchy. Okay, look at all those tools on the left-hand side. Okay? Now the ones that have those little yellow locks, we can't use those. But there are other tools that we can use. Okay, now I did put my name on it. I just used the drawing tool and I wrote my name. Is it beautiful? No, but it works. Okay, we're going to scroll to the next page. Now it gives you a definition of what a globe is. It says a globe is a small representation of the Earth in the shape of a sphere. So now look down here. It says color the continent that you live on in red. You might ask me, hey, Mrs. Adams, how do I color on the computer? That's the beauty of Kami. So we're going to go over to that drawing tool and we're going to choose a different color. See this right here? If you hover on it, it says more colors. So you're going to go there and you're going to choose the shade of red that you prefer. And then, wait, let's make sure that that works. Okay. So then we need red, and I'm going to go find the continent that I live on, and I'm going to color it. Let's see. It might take a little while to color it in, but you get my point how to do it. Okay, now this is all, the part I colored in is the United States. That's not what the instructions said. The instructions said color the continent. So you would have to color this whole continent red. Okay? The whole North American continent. Now, yes, I did do the first instruction for you. But you're going to go through, and now the next one says color the rest of the continents in green. So you're going to go back over to the color palette, and you're going to choose green. Okay? And then choose your green and color the rest of the continents in green. Now the next instruction says color the oceans in blue. So you're going to go back to the coloring and you're going to choose blue. If you want a different shade of blue, get a different shade of blue. Okay? And when you hover over here, there it is. So then you're going to color the oceans in blue. And then, number 4, it's up to you. Okay? So then if you grab the slider bar to the right, we're going to move down here. And you're going to see there's more instructions. Okay? Now, this is a compass rose. It tells you what to do on this compass rose. Okay? So, now when it's saying these letters, if you don't want to try to draw them, you can go up to the text box. And you can draw a text box and go, okay, well, I'm going to put a text box over here. Oops. Oh, I did it and it disappeared. Put the text box there and then type whatever. Okay? Now see that little red dot? We can get rid of the text box and do it again if we want. Okay? If you want to make a comment, you can put the comment box in. Okay? See it over here? Tisha Adams, comment. Okay? Hello. Right? So you're going to work your way through this whole Maps and Globes Review page. Okay? There's multiple pages actually here. But the instructions tell you to do stuff on it, and you can using those tools in Kami. Yay, Kami.